Hey guys, it's your brother Yassine's here. In today's video, I'm just going to show you a very quick way so that you can earn some side income online. And by the way, I kept my promise. So for those who are outside the US, this website is working worldwide and it's a very legitimate website from where you can earn money online. So guys, please make sure you follow this video up until the end so that you don't miss out on anything. First and foremost, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And if you want, you can connect with me on Instagram, and make sure you comment below down in the description if you have any question. So first and foremost, let us get to the website. The website is instagc.com. By the way, if you want, you can click down below in the description and so that you can sign up with the website. So first, when you come in here, this website is basically gonna pay you for doing a variety of tasks, from downloading an app to surveys, etc., etc. And they do pay with they have a variety of payment methods. So they even pay with Bitcoin, just in case. So whenever you come here, so for example, let's say you go to apps. And by the way, guys, please keep in mind that the offers do vary from one country to the other. So in some countries, you might have more offers than others. And it goes the same way for the payment methods. So when it goes to apps, for example, let's say we're gonna click on AdGate Rewards. All right, so here, as you can see, guys, this one, this Castle Clash, it tells you, make sure, guys, you read what it asks you to do so that you can win the points. And again, those points, they can be converted to dollars. And by the way, I know people who have made hundreds of dollars. Okay, so that's a very good way to get started if you're broke. And what I like, again, even about this website, InstaGC, is that you can get started right away. You don't need any approval. You get to sign up and you start working on it. Again, so first, when, for example, here, Castle Clash, it asks you to download and open the app. That's it. The moment you do that, you're gonna win 2 points, and you need to have an iPhone. This one, same way, same way, same way, same way, same way. All right. So, and again, the offers keeps changing constantly. So you always have to come in here and get the points. And then here, for example, let me get back to it. Yeah. So for example, here we're gonna click on Offer Toro. Let's see what they have for us. So as you can see, there are no offers for us here on Offer Toro for my country, okay, which is Morocco. In the US, generally, you're gonna have more offers. When it comes to here, clicks. So you can do, guys, you apply, all right, so they have nothing for me. How about surveys? Let's see the surveys that they have. Okay, cool. So when it comes to surveys, yeah, okay, cool. So when it comes to surveys, guys, as you can see, we have many. So let's click on InstaGC. All right. So basically, we need to access to complete all of this. I'm just gonna shut it down. You do it, and I know that there are a few surveys. Let's see this one. All right. So for all surveys, and again, that's a sample account that I just logged in, just to show you how it works. And then you have tasks. So basically, yeah, there you go. So in tasks, you have plenty of surveys. You have a bunch of surveys to complete. And last, then you have trials. Let's see what they have in terms of trials. Yeah. So there are no trials from my country, but make sure you check all of them and make sure you complete every single task out there, amass the points, and get back to the next day and do whatever new task that they have put on the platform. But again, guys, I'm telling you, it's a very legitimate website that has paid thousands and thousands of people, and not just like a bunch of dollars. I'm telling you, like, guys are getting paid hundreds and thousands of dollars. So just make sure you give it your time. If you have time to work on that. So and that's it. Yeah, that's all there is to it. And again, guys, it works worldwide, as I just told you. And yeah, something else that you could do. Yeah. Let me see. No, there's something that there's this one as well. I forgot to mention it. Yeah, let's click on personally. I believe it's here, right? Yeah, there you go. So as you can see here, you can earn points. You can earn points. Service for you could take 10 minutes, and you keep earning points. So guys, just make sure, because again, there are many categories, many places where you can click, and just make sure you leave no stone unturned, so that you can make as many points as possible, and so that you can convert them to the maximum money that you can make. So what I did, basically, I just hovered the mouse over earn, and then clicked on watch videos, and then selected one of the companies. Then he gave me, I selected personal.ly, then he gave me this. But for your country, of course, you're not going to have Arabic and all that stuff. So basically, you might have plenty of offers than what I have right now. Yeah, then what I wanted to show is that when you go here to redeem and to gift card store, as I told you, my country is Morocco. I just have a bunch of ways, a bunch of gift cards. But let's say if you go to United States, where is that? Yeah, there you go. If you go to United States, you're gonna have way more offers. There you go, bingo. Abercrombie and Fitch and Kids, Aeropostale, Amazon, Airbnb. Again, that's up to you. If you wanna convert those points into gift cards, good for you. If you don't, they're gonna pay you cash, all right? So as I told you, it's all legit. You just gotta have to connect your payment accounts and choose whatever payment method you want, and you're good to go. And then at last, I wanted to show you the last one. Yeah, basically, you can participate in contests, just in case. You can do it. Decimal pot, yeah, sorry, that's this one. So you can contribute 1 point, and it's not that much, and you can win many points. So as you can see, more people are participating, and more people are making. The more people are participating, the more points you make. Yeah, and then the last one, what I want to show is that you can even earn money. Again, if you have an Instagram account or a Facebook account, or you have a wide audience on YouTube or elsewhere, you can just go to click on promote and then referral link, and then you can pick up your link. You click on it, and you can make 10 points for each person that signs up. And I'll just leave it down below in the description if you wanna help me out. Because I shared with you this website, I would highly appreciate it if you could sign up with my affiliate link, with my referral link from InstaGC, and help me make 10 points whenever you sign up. Guys, I hope you loved the video. Please, again, subscribe to my channel if you liked it, and share it with your friends and family and anybody who might need it and leave me a comment down below the description if you want me to talk about something, or if you have any single question regarding InstaGC. And up until then, see you next time, and keep crushing it. Your brother Yassine that loves you all. Have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.